So welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys download wallpaper guys, how to change in a Samsung mobile. Friends, you have your download wallpaper and guys you want to change. So how can you change in this video friends? I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your download wallpaper guys and scroll it. Friends, you can see phone wallpaper setting. Friends, tap here guys, click on my wallpaper setting. Friends, you can see download wallpaper setting guys, tap here. So friends, you can see guys, you can check guys your download wallpaper here. And once you want to change your download wallpaper, so you can change. So example for we will take this one wallpaper, and guys you want to change into home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen, it's your choice. So we will click on home screen. Example guys, we will tap here, then guys your download wallpaper will change in your Samsung phone guys. You can see guys your home screen, download wallpaper setting, and once you can see lock screen and download wallpaper, this one setting guys. So like that guys, you can change your download wallpaper in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.